What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes, the wholesale coach here, and in this video you're going to be watching some footage of Q going out to the property, the fire damage property from the previous video, and also you're going to see me going out to a brand new property out where I stay in Irving Park, guys. So stay all the way to the end of the video, guys. And if you pumped for this content, go ahead and hit that like button now and subscribe to the channel if you're new, guys. Let's get it.
Came back with his $400,000 to put together, so his long time insurance and his renter's insurance, and I didn't watch it closely enough, so I got to take the hit on that. So, that's a big hit. Fucking tell me about it.
Pretty walk on.
Pretty, what do you mean?
Sturdy.
Oh, it's sturdy?
Yeah.
Okay. Structural wise, I mean, we don't really know the condition of the floor until we get everything cleaned up, but I don't really see any buckling and stuff of the hardwood.
Right.
So it might be able to get refinished. There's a crap load of cleaning.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, up here, it's, you just gotta get rid of all the contents and, you know, clean up the areas of drywall. Like this ceiling the whole ceiling probably should come down, just because what are you gonna do? Cut it here and then cut it down? It doesn't make sense.
Right. Just to redo the whole thing.
Yeah. Probably the same with this too.
Okay. It's a good thing that it was brick though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Actually held it. If it was frame, it would have been over with.
I wonder if there's something structurally happening here. Look, I bet you there's probably a 6-inch dip. Look at the door jamb. See that?
That's coming down. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm wondering if there's something compromised structurally here.
So for a job like this, how much you think it'll be?
You know, you get everything cleaned up, get rid of that smoke odor. It's kind of hard to put some numbers together. That's why we got some pretty master people at the office. But if you can start out with a power washer, yeah, all this gotta get redone.
I see.
And then you're looking at new siding on this whole back half area here. This whole soffit stuff has smoke odors all the way around the corner.
This shit dangerous.
What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes, the wholesale coach here, and we're out at a property out here in Irving Park. We're about to go in and meet the seller, and we're gonna get a walkthrough of this property. So the seller wants $260,000 for the property. There's another property in the area, as you guys know, that sold for more than $275,000 with similar attributes, guys. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go into this property. We really want to offer this person maybe like $240 for this property, guys. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. We're gonna see if we can actually be able to lock this property up, guys, in the next 24 hours. So if you pump for this content, go ahead and hit that like button now and subscribe to the channel if you're new, guys. Let's get it. All right, this should be good. All of this ice is just falling down, smacking my car windows.
Well, that's good. So yeah, I'm just a realtor's friend, kind of stepping in with him.
Okay.
But yeah, it's three bedroom home.
Man.
Yeah, they're letting this one go. I don't know what I told you. Man, I want to say my buddy told me 265.
Something like that. Okay. Yeah, I think they said something similar to that. Stroll back here one more time. Get this bathroom. Oh yeah. Updating.
I recommend putting the heat up to at least 60 degrees. Because I don't think the heat's on right now. I know. The last thing you want is the pipes bursting. It's not worth the pipes bursting. Oh, you have to close this gas to shut off? Yes.
right.
Yeah, so and here goes the third bedroom. So living room area, hardwood floors, kitchen, and this appears to be like the largest one here.
Right. So this is 3 beds then, right?
Yeah, it's 3 bedrooms.
3 beds, 1 bath, right?
1 bathroom, and there's one like a rough-in, kind of like that. You'll see downstairs.
Okay. Yeah, this basement is actually much better than I was imagining it was going to be. I'm not going to lie.
So furnace is about 5 years old. See that drain tile system all around. The electrical is jacked.
And these walls down here are a little low.
Pretty much everything's ready for the bathroom.
Oh, okay. All right, so it's nice and framed off already. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So are the utilities staying? Like, are these?
Yeah, that's staying.
Okay.
Electric pump, sump pump. We had this as another additional bedroom in the basement.
Oh, yeah.
2-car garage. There's nothing.
Right, nothing too special about that.
Yeah.
Okay.
25 by 125 lot.
25 by 125. All right. This is pretty nice.
Other questions that you might have for myself or Veronica?
All right, guys. So this is the area. Whoa. This is the block. Mostly frame buildings in this area. This is one of the shorter property. It's only about like 3 I should say little properties. Oh, I gotta get up out of here. 3 little properties on the block, and this is one of them. This does look like the top property that they can potentially pop the top on, so we'll see, guys. Keep you updated. And you see on the next block we've got like a new development right here. Oh, snaps. My bad. All right, so you guys see this is one of the new developments in the area. It's a lot of new developments around here. They're doing a lot of construction, building up these nice, whoa, you see my car is getting smacked right now, guys. They're building up these nice, beautiful developments over here, guys. These are brand new properties around here that someone just bought a property from somebody around here, probably for like 200-something thousand, just completely destroyed it and built this enormous place there, guys. So just wanted y'all to see for yourselves all of the development that's going on out here in Irving Park. It's like absolutely ridiculous, you guys. So go ahead and hit that like button, guys. All right, guys, so the Irving Park property that you just saw us go to, we're going to be trying to lock that in under contract tomorrow morning, guys. So I'm going to be having another quick update video soon. Also, guys, we are going to pitch the seller at $255,000 cost, with them paying the closing costs, guys. We were actually able to see that the comps that we had may have been a little bit off. We saw a property that went for like 280 in the area, but actually this property has 4 beds and that one had 2. So we're going to adjust our comps. We definitely think that we're going to be able to push this property really quickly, guys. So if you're pumped for this content, go ahead, hit that like button, but subscribe to the channel if you're new, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's get it.